What's going on, guys? I'm taking here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Spotify Plus Plus without any jailbreak. I'll be showing you step by step. Stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you have to be the same website I am right now, appvalley.vip. The link will be in the description. After you're in this page, all you have to do is just click the first one, the free one. It's just gonna click install, and you're gonna click allow. It's free. You're not gonna pay any money. And now all you have to do is go to your settings, go back, and you're gonna click to profile download and install. You're gonna enter your password and next install. Now you're just gonna click done, and it's right here. It's done downloading it. It's very quick, and all you have to do now is just click it, and all you have to do now is scroll down. There's a lot of ads on this app, but just ignore those, and you're just gonna wait a little bit to refresh the page. Now all you have to do is just scroll down, and you're gonna see the Spotify fix no ads. Without no ads, and you still get the Spotify Premier version. And all you're gonna click is get install, and you're gonna go back, and it should install right there. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's gonna take like a minute or less. Now it's right here. It's done. Now all you have to do is open it. It's not gonna work when you open it. You have to like do one more step. Now all you have to do is go to your settings, and you're gonna go back, and you're gonna scroll down, and you're gonna click general, and you're gonna scroll down one more time, and you're gonna click profile device management, and you're gonna click the second one, and you're gonna trust the app. If you don't do this, the app's not going to work. Now you should get the premier version Spotify Plus Plus. It's 100% working. You see, it's 100% working. It's free. And if this works for you, let me know in the comment section. And if this helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and peace.